Feel like Instagram's algorithm doesn't understand you? Seeing random reels you're not even interested in? Good news, you can actually train the algorithm yourself. Let me show you how to reset and control your Instagram feed in 2026. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where we help you master social media the smart and professional way. Step 1. Open Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your main account. This method works for both iPhone and Android users. Stay on the home screen to begin. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will open your personal profile page. From here, you can access deeper account settings. Now look for the menu option in the top right. Step 3. Open Settings and Content Preferences. Tap the 3 lines, menu icon. Scroll down and select Content Preferences. Inside this section, tap on your algorithm. This is where Instagram allows you to adjust what you see. Step 4. Manage what Instagram shows you. Here you'll see different options like Watch History. While you're seeing this, see less. Remove interest. You can long press on certain topics to adjust them. Tap See Less if you want fewer similar videos. Tap Remove Interest to eliminate topics completely. If this tip is helping you take control of your feed, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. We share smart social media tricks every week that actually improve your digital experience. Step 5. Add more interest to improve recommendations. Inside the algorithm section, tap the Add plus icon. Now type the topics you're genuinely interested in. For example, tech reviews, fitness, finance, travel, or motivation. After typing your topic, press Done to confirm. Repeat the process to add multiple interests. The more accurate your inputs, the better your feed becomes. Step 6. Refresh your Reels feed. Now go back to the Reels section. Pull down to refresh the page. Give the algorithm a few seconds to adjust. You'll begin seeing Reels that match your selected interests. Over time, your recommendations will improve significantly. Pro tips for better algorithm control. Engage with content you truly like. Watch fully, like, and save. Avoid interacting with content you don't want more of. Use Not Interested frequently to refine recommendations. Instagram's algorithm isn't random. It's based entirely on your activity and preferences. When you understand how it works, you gain full control over your content experience. If this tutorial helped you customize your feed, like the video, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, and comment below what Instagram feature you want next. This is Preyo Phonie, helping you stay ahead, stay smart, and master social media like a pro. See you in the next one.